This is the JR Fire Tools Super P40. It's made out of 10 gauge, oversized hoe in the back, 3-side sharp. It's got a log grabber axe head. These hooks that help you pull material out of maybe hot ash pits, bringing up logs. I like to make sure the Super P40 is nice and sharp, easy to get through logs and material, whatever you're cutting. Maybe quartering up stobs, manzanita. It does also have a blade up here on the top, which makes it nice if you need a knife or something. It has interchangeable heads. You can put on a different head. It comes with a 40-inch hickory handle. Most Pulaskis only have like a 32 or 36-inch handle. This is a hickory fire glazed handle. They're nice and strong. It's going to save your back in the long run. Swinging this tool for hours on the fire line, the 40-inch is going to be your friend and help you out. The Super P40 weighs approximately 5¼ pounds. It's got nice head weight to it. I like the oversized hoe. The hoe end's too small. Basically all it's good for is stobs. It's a little bit bigger. You'll actually be able to move some dirt with it, and if you run out of stobs, you'll be able to cut some line. So also, if you need to dig trenches, it's a great tool for that too. Make a nice check mark, no problem. Make your trenches nice and deep. Have a safe fire season.